Good morning students, welcome back to biology classroom once again. I hope all of you have watched my last video. Today I am going to teach you modification of leaves in the insectivorous plants. So look at the book. Insectivorous plants are also known as carnivorous plants. Underline this word, carnivorous plants. So insectivorous are as well as known as carnivorous plant because insectivorous plant eat the flesh of insects. Most of these plants are herbaceous perennial with the height of not more than 30 cm. Herbaceous means they are like bush structure. Their stem are not weak, and perennial means they can complete their life cycle more than 1 year. I mean within 2 years. With the height of not more than 30 cm. Their height may be 30 cm. They usually occur in damp hills. Damp means in a marshy place. Marshy place. Bogs. Bogs means muddy soil. I mean the soil is very soft and it is unable to carry heavy weight. Swamp. The shallow pond and the muddy or sandy source. The marginal part of river or sea or ocean where there is abundant water but lack nitrogenous material. Where the water is abundant, I mean sufficient, there are lots of water but the lack of nitrogenous material. Those are essential for the plant growth due to unfavorable soil condition. As most of these plants are green, they manufacture their food by photosynthesis. But their carnivorous habit supplements their diet from the poor soil of their environment. What is the meaning of this? But carnivorous plants also are able to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But due to the lack of nitrogenous material, they can fulfill their diet by their carnivorous habit. Insectivorous plants are adapted to trap, capture and digest insects by making trap and clever pitfalls. These traps are mostly the modification of leaves. So this kind of trap or clever pitfall that is the modification of leaves. The digestion in this plant is similar to those of animals. During digestion, the end products, particularly the nitrogenous compound. The digestion in these plants is similar to this of animals. During digestion, the end products, particularly the nitrogenous compound. So by the consumption of different insects, carnivorous plants fulfill their nitrogenous products from the digestion of the particular insects. They help in their survival under such hostile environmental conditions. So in this way, they fulfill their nitrogenous compound in their body growth and it helps to sustain in life. Let us study about some example of leaf modification of these plants. First one, pitcher plant. In the pitcher plant, the lamina or leaf blade of the leaf is modified into hollow tube-like structure, that is pitcher. Look at the picture. The marginal part of the leaf, I mean lamina, that turn into a pitcher-like structure. It is the modification of leaves. And the tip portion of the leaves that turn into lid. It helps to close the pitcher. The leaf apex, I mean tip of the leaves, the top part of the leaves, form a lid that turn into lid. and which can open or close the mouth of the pitcher. Inside the pitcher, there are hair which are directed downwards. In the bottom of the pitcher, there are root hair which help to trap the insect in the pitcher. When an insect falls in the pitcher, the lid closes automatically. When an insect trapped in the pitcher, the lid automatically closed. An insect trapped between the root hair. The trapped insect get entangled in the hair of the pitcher and hence cannot come out. After sometimes the insect dies in the pitcher. Then the wall of the pitcher secrete digestive juice. After the dying of the insect from the wall of the pitcher, that secretes digestive juice which help to digest the protein present in the body of insect to form simpler nitrogen compound. I mean amino acid. These simpler nitrogen compounds are absorbed by the walls of pitcher and used by the whole pitcher plant. I think you have understood. The leaf blade that turn into pitcher-like structure. There are root hair inside the pitcher. When an insect entered in the pitcher, it trapped by the root hair. Then the apex of the leaf, which worked as lid, it closed. Then from the wall of the pitcher, digestive juice secreted and it helped to digest the insect and taking out the nitrogenous substance, I mean amino acid, which is essential for the growth of pitcher plant. Next, bladder root. In bladder root, leaves are highly segmented, I mean divided and modified into sacs called bladder. Look at the picture. In case of bladder root, leaves, I mean lamina of the leaf that turn into sac-like structure. It looks like bag, and this particular bag-like structure is known as bladder. The bladder has a trap door in which minute organism means those organisms are too teeny, can only go in but cannot come out. From the door, minute organism can go inside but not come out. It is seen in aquatic plants such as Artricularia. It is seen in aquatic plants such as Artricularia. Underline the name. Next, venous flytrap. In this plant, the edge of the leaf has long pointed stiff hair. Look at the picture. From the marginal part of lamina, there are hair-like structure like spine. The leaf blade is divided into two parts and the midrib acts as the hinge of the door. In case of that, the midrib acts as hinge of the two door. I mean midrib control the two lamina. When any insect touch the leaf, the edge of the leaf suddenly interlock. When an insect touch the leaf, I mean two part of lamina, then it trapped by midrib. The edge of the leaf suddenly interlock and prevent the escape of insect. The plant secretes digestive juice and enzyme to digest the insect. So in this way, some insectivorous plant fulfill their lack of nitrogenous product for their body growth. So I hope all of you have understood. Please follow my class and try to understood. Have you any problem? So please comment on my channel. So for up to this portion for this class.